So, how's it been being back here?
It's been a bit strange. I'm still fully adjusting. I haven't really gotten around to unpacking most of my stuff.
Oh, hopefully it starts to feel like home again.
I've got 3 bodies in the span of 3 days, the last of which was found in their own backyard. Which means that whatever it is, it ain't the forest anymore.
How about you focus less on missing files and more on finding out what the hell is killing my voters? Hmm?
Where's Piper? She was with you.
You need help.